But yeah, I mean, again, I really hope that you guys are it's coming across about the entire framework that you should be doing, the mindset that we should be bringing this. Leo says, Dennis, practical question. How long would be acceptable to deliver this for my study if you're my boss waiting for my research? Yeah, good question, Leo. It depends on the complexity of the data. It depends on, the number, the depth of the data, the width of the data. Personally, as somebody who's working with a stakeholder to try to, set those deadlines, I try to give us as much time as possible. Because also remember that one of the key things, from me, like the boss's perspective, what I'm really looking for from this phase is ideas. What can we do with this data? Right? Because after EDA, you should be going into an ideation phase with your stakeholder. Right? You're going to sit down, you're going to say, hey, this is what the data showed us. We think there's things that are interesting here. Maybe you think there's some other interesting things. How would you like us to proceed? Like, that's the value that you're getting out of EDA, right? Because not only are you coming up with ideas, you're coming up with ideas that say, hey, here's our idea, and we're pretty sure we have enough data to work with to make this idea happen, right? So personally, Leo, I'm going to try to buy you as much time as possible from the stakeholder. So I'm probably like the most lenient, I guess you could say, during this stage, because I want you to have that time to like sit and play with the data.